we will discuss about urine examination continuation renal cast. What are renal cast and how they are formed? It formed due to molding of renal tubules of solidified protein. This one is tubes, here molding will form. How it form? Due to molding of renal tubes of solidified protein. Basically cylindrical in shape. Basic composition of cast Tamp-Horsfall protein. So it origin always kidney. This one is mostly cylindrical in shape. Basic composition Tamp-Horsfall. So origin always kidney. Now we see about that types of cast. What are the types? Hyaline cast, granular, cellular, waxy and broadcast. It have 5 different types: hyaline cast, granular, cellular, waxy and broadcast, which we'll discuss one by one. First one is hyaline cast. They are least significant and not refractive. They are physiologically also present in condition like fever and exercise. Physiological condition like fever and exercise, increased number of hyaline. There are acute glomerulonephritis, malignant hypertension, chronic renal failure. Increased number of hyaline cast are present suggest acute glomerulonephritis, malignant hypertension, chronic renal disease. Now discuss about this granular cast. Granular cast have coarse granules in basic matrix. It have coarse granules in basic matrix. Granules form from degenerating cells or solidification of plasma protein. It form degenerating cells or solidification of plasma protein, and it indicate presence of pyelonephritis, chronic lead poisoning, viral diseases and renal papillary necrosis. It indicates the presence of pyelonephritis, chronic lead poisoning, viral disease and renal papillary necrosis. Now third one is cellular cast. First one is RBC cast. RBC cast always pathological. That means renal hematuria. It can seen in acute glomerulonephritis, lupus nephritis, foot posture symptom, severe pyelonephritis and renal vein thrombosis. RBC cast seen in acute glomerulonephritis, lupus nephritis, foot posture symptom, severe pyelonephritis and renal vein thrombosis. Now going to other type of cast, WBC cast. It is seen in the infection or inflammation but involving in kidney. It can seen in the condition like acute pyelonephritis, acute glomerulonephritis, nephrotic syndrome, lupus nephritis, interstitial nephritis. They passed in the urine in the following condition. What are the condition? Acute pyelonephritis, acute glomerulonephritis, like that. Sixth one is waxy cast. It appears as cylinder of smooth, highly refractive material. It appears as cylinder of smooth, highly refractive material, yellow and homogeneous. This waxy cast yellow and homogeneous. It represented the final stage of degradation of cell within a cast from cellular to granular to waxy. Final stage in the degradation of cells within a cast from cellular to granular to waxy. Next one is fatty cast. Seen in lipid in urine, there are cylinder containing droplets of fat which are highly refractive. These casts seen in nephrotic syndrome, lipid nephrosis, diabetic glomerulonephrosis. What are the conditions? Nephrotic symptom, lipid nephrosis, diabetic glomerulosclerosis. Last one is broadcast. It is also known as renal failure cast. Broadcast is also known as renal failure cast, formed in collecting ducts as the result of urinary stasis. Broadcast is also known as renal cast. Broadcast seen in end stage of chronic renal disease. This seen in end stage of chronic renal diseases. This was about that cast. In this video, we discussed what is renal cast, how they formed, and their type. What are the types? Hyaline cast, cellular, granular, waxy, and fatty cast. Thanks for watching.